Thank you for joining me, Diamonds. My name is Eva Teray. For our newbies, thank you for joining us. And for those returning, thank you guys so much for your love and support. On the way out, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Diamonds, let's get to it. Off camera, I did do my eyebrows. I am now setting my concealer with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. If you have not checked out my tutorial on eyebrows, I will go ahead and link that for you guys below. With a concealer brush by Revlon, I took my MAC paint pot. Unfortunately, I don't know what color it is, but I smoothed that all over my lid to prime it to get it ready for my eyeshadow. Going in with my BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, I am going to grab the matte shade to the Capricorn, which is kind of like an olivey green, and I am going to place that in the inner corner and the outer corner of my lid. I'm sorry, you guys, I am so into Grey's Anatomy. I know I am tardy to that party, but hey, what can I say? Now I'm going to take a little more of that color and place it directly in my crease, just so I can blend it out, being very careful not to place any on the middle or center of my lid. Diamonds, the best kept secret to great, flawless eyeshadow application is blending. You can have like the best technique in the world, but if you're not blending those colors so they look seamless, it's just gonna look like a hot ass mess. Trust me, take it from me. Now the color wasn't dark enough for me, so I decided that I was going to add just a little something to deepen it. I can't even remember what palette I used, but it is a dark purple. When I applied it, it didn't turn it into a purple. It looked just deeper. So you can grab anything that you wanted to use for that. Now I'm going in with the foiled Capricorn eyeshadow. It's kind of like a tarnished, greenish, goldy type of color, if that makes any sense. I really suck at describing colors, but you guys kind of see that. Just placing it on the center of my lid and kind of blending it out with the first two shadows that I laid. Again, blending those together. Then I'm gonna go in with my Stila Smudge Pot eyeliner. You guys know I rave about this all the time. I absolutely adore it. Yes, I am again taking a paintbrush to apply it. I did get this one from Walmart. It was probably less than $5. It just helps me achieve those sharp lines that I was looking for today. The trick with eyeliner is just practice makes perfect, really. Nothing happens overnight, and even if you're damn good with it, you're still gonna mess up sometimes. So try again, diamonds. Off camera, I did go ahead and apply my falsies. Now I'm just using mascara to blend my eyelashes and my falsies together. Taking my silicone applicator, I am going to apply the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 360, which is Mocha. I'm just using my silicone applicator to place the foundation down. And now I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics foundation brush and smooth it out. Making sure that I hit my neck and up under my chin, just to make sure that everything is seamless. I am now going to go in with my Tarte concealer in deep so that I can highlight my forehead, my nose, my chin. Before I sat down, I did go ahead and saturate my beauty blender with water. And now that that has been laid, I am going to go ahead and start contouring with my black opal in the color Black Walnut. And I am blending that out with a contour blush. I did get this one off of Amazon, so I don't know the name of it or the number. But if I can find it, I'll definitely link it below. I do use those two products often, the Black Opal and my Tarte Shape Tape. I am interested in trying to find a different contour and highlight. So if you guys have any suggestions, anything that works well for you, especially if you have oily skin, please comment it below. Now I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium dark, and I am setting my contour. Then I'm gonna go in with my MAC blush in Raisin. I am gonna highlight today with the highlighter within the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. It's like a goldy color. It's really pretty. Now it's time for the lips. I'm gonna go in with my lip pencil from MAC in the color Night Moth. And I'm gonna go in with actually two of the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Colors. I am first gonna start off with High Drama, which is this beautiful wine burgundy color. And then to create like a little gradient, I'm gonna go in with Cafe Au Chic. I'm now going to set everything by spraying my face with my Mario Badescu in Rose Water. And there's the finished look, diamonds. I am super excited for 2018 and the upcoming changes and improvements to my channel. I just want to thank you guys again for your love and your support and watching me grow. I definitely couldn't be here without you. You guys are everything to my channel. I'll see you in the next video, diamonds.